Hello, friends. It's me, Barney. I'm so glad you're here today because we're about to start something really exciting together. Whether you're watching from your living room, your classroom, or even on the go, I want you to know you're part of our adventure family. Are you ready for an adventure? Imagine all the amazing places we can go, the new things we can see, and the wonderful people we can meet along the way. Our world is like a giant playground full of mountains to climb, oceans to splash in, and new friends to meet everywhere you go. There's so much to discover, and every place has its own special story. Traveling lets us learn, laugh, and make memories together. Every trip is a chance to try new things, taste new foods, and share lots of smiles with people from all over the world. Sometimes planning a trip can feel tricky, but having a plan is like having a treasure map. It helps us find the best adventures. When we plan together, we make sure everyone has fun and stays safe. I have a stupendous secret. There's a special way to travel called Worldpacking. It's not just about seeing new places, but about making a difference wherever you go. With Worldpacking, you can see new places, help others, and make friends all at once. It's a way to explore the world and share kindness, making every journey extra special. You get to be a helper and a friend, the best kind of traveler. When you travel this way, you leave every place a little better than you found it. So, are you ready to join me? Let's learn all about Worldpacking together and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. And so what is Worldpacking? It's simple, fun, and a little bit magical. Worldpacking is a unique way to travel the world, not just as a tourist, but as someone who truly connects with the places you visit. Instead of just passing through, you get to experience life like a local, making memories that last a lifetime. Imagine arriving at a beautiful sunny beach and spending your days helping a friendly family with their garden. You might plant vegetables, water flowers, or learn about local plants, all while soaking up the sun and fresh air. In return for your help, you're welcomed into their home with a cozy bed to sleep in and delicious home-cooked meals to enjoy. You'll taste new flavors, share stories around the table, and feel like part of the family. You're not just a visitor, you become part of a real community. You'll laugh, share meals, and celebrate special moments together, building friendships that cross borders and last long after your trip ends. After helping out for a few hours each day, you're free to explore, play, and discover new things. Hike through local trails, play games with children, or learn a new skill from your hosts. Every day brings a new adventure. Worldpacking means staying longer in one place, making real friends from around the world, and picking up new games or even a new language. You'll join in local celebrations and become part of the story of the place you visit. Anyone can be a Worldpacker. All you need is a happy heart, an open mind, and a willingness to help out wherever you go. It's about sharing, caring, and making a difference, no matter your age or background. You don't need a lot of money to Worldpack. By exchanging your time and skills for a place to stay and meals, you can travel farther, stay longer, and learn something new every single day. Every day is a chance to make the world a little brighter with your smile, your helping hands, and your open heart. That's the true spirit of Worldpacking. How do you find these amazing adventures? Maybe you've always dreamed of exploring new places, meeting people from different cultures, or making a difference while you travel. But where do you even start? It can feel overwhelming to plan a trip, especially if you want it to be meaningful and unique. That's where the Worldpacking app comes in. It's like having a magical backpack right on your phone. Imagine carrying all the tools you need for adventure, discovery, and connection wherever you go. The app connects helpers like you with friendly hosts all over the world. Whether you want to volunteer in a bustling city or a quiet village, there's a place for you. Browse hundreds of opportunities, see real photos, and read detailed descriptions about what kind of help is needed, maybe gardening, teaching kids, caring for animals, or even learning new skills along the way. The app is designed to be safe and supportive. You can chat directly with hosts, ask questions, and read honest reviews from other Worldpackers who've been there before you. It's a great way to make sure you feel confident and prepared. Once you find the perfect spot, the app helps you get ready for your trip. From packing tips to travel checklists and important documents, everything you need is right at your fingertips. It keeps all your plans organized in one place and supports you every step of the way. So you can focus on enjoying your journey instead of worrying about the details. Planning your adventure is easy, fun, and even inspiring. You can dream big, set your goals, and watch your plans come to life. Get ready to meet new friends, discover incredible places, and create memories that will last a lifetime. The best part of world packing, all the new friends you'll make, share stories, cook together, and learn about each other's homes. You can learn to surf, garden, or cook new foods. Every trip is a new adventure. World packing lets you live like a local, not just visit. Discover hidden gems and experience real life in new places. With the World Packing app, the world is waiting for you. Be brave, kind, and curious. Make a difference and collect memories. Let's go explore together.